what's up, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of the Battle Cats. What? Bonus item, clear the grease stage to unlock the special units bean cats. Oh, cool. Anyway, we're back on this game, the very, very strange game. And I've just realised I got a treasure in Nepal, which is really good. Let me just check something. So, Nepal. Yeah, Nepal is that one. Okay. So I only need from India to Australia to get that treasure. And as you saw from last episode, if you saw last episode, you should probably watch it. The treasure was really good. So I'm going to try and get the treasures. Okay, guys? You don't have to be bored, but... Oh, yeah, and the Macho Cat. I've still not tested this guy. I want to see how good he's probably going to help me get all these good stuff. Hopefully. That was easy. Wow. It's the easiest thing I've ever done. Okay, we're going to go into upgrades and upgrade this cat. Yeah, no, hang on a second, guys. Sorry, I just had to text my friend there. This is gonna be annoying. I've done this stage already. Why are you bringing me here? How do I get treasures? Like, what makes me get them? Is it not getting the stuff? Is that what it is? Like, I'm so confused. What do I need to do to get the treasures? Hopefully I'll find out. Oh, I know now that I'm gonna be overpowered in the future. Give me the treasure. Come on! What do I need for your stupid treasures, game? Huh? Let's just go on to the next level. Can't be bothered with thingies anyway. Oh, yes. Okay. I just used my one and only Legion flag to refill my thingies. Right, what is this? Dubai. Oh, Dubai is like the skyscrapers and stuff. That's pretty cool. But you have no match for my Macho Cats. This Macho Cat is really good, I've realised. Look at that. 2 bites and it knocks him back. 1 bite and it knocks him back. What? Nom. 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 I could probably do a level with only using the Macho Cats. That's how good they are, in my opinion. I'm going to get the War Cat next. Then hopefully an Eraser Cat. If you don't know what a War Cat is, watch till the end of the video to find out. That's all I'm going to say. I'm sorry, but you can oh, penguins! Oh, they're a real pain in my butt last time. I hate these things. I know what I have to do though. I know how to defend. We need to keep them there. We need to make sure they don't advance too much. So just send out the first 2 things, but at the same time, we need to advance a little bit. Just enough to keep them at bay. There we go. We're hitting the base again. I know how to do it, guys. Do not fear for Iron here. I'm maxed out. Gosh. Come on. Give me treasure. I want treasures. Treasures are fun. Come on. I should just go through the level and get the treasures, like, in between episodes. Oh, kill the penguins! Stupid penguins! Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sending other troops now. Because, yeah, I was maxed out for quite a while there and I didn't even realise, I think. I'm just sending all of this stuff now. Probably should have got a Psycho Cat then. I do all of this and he's still, like, coming towards me. Stupid penguins. I always knew there'd be a pain one day. Oh, nope, they're both dead. Oh, that was surprisingly easy. I keep getting the Flower Cat instead of this guy. There you go. Oh gosh, the cooldown is pretty big. Oh, we just destroyed that thing. I got a treasure. Yes. it was just a normal treasure, but it was a treasure nonetheless. And I can upgrade this again. Cool. My wall is becoming even better. Saudi Arabia. I still don't know how to say that. That's a shame. Already a hippo. What hippo? You have no business in my town. Oh, don't worry, guys. I know. I'll just keep him busy with these macho cats. Hopefully, he doesn't do too much to them. I wouldn't want my macho cats getting hurt now, would I? Oh, this guy is strong. I'm gonna. They're not getting any hits off of him. Oh, actually, they're getting a few. No, do not press that. Oh, this guy is stronger than I thought. I'm gonna have to send both of them. Send out my meat shields, and then a gross cat. Oh gosh. Yeah, the wall cats have so much more health. I love this game, guys. Please support me, because I like this game, and hopefully you do too. Yes. Kill him. Wall cats. Kill him. Hey. Easy as pie. It wasn't easy as pie, but it was easy. Kind of, not really. Sometimes on these levels, as soon as you hit the base, something really big comes out. Okay, it didn't happen. Maybe it's halfway. Oh yeah, I remember on this one, halfway, it like does something, and I don't like it. I really don't like it. I feel like today's been so much easier. Another gross cat, please. I need to stop upgrading just the regular cats. I need to upgrade like the ghost cat, the ninja cat. I just don't have the XP for it. Another hippo. You've got nothing on me, hippo. You hippopotamus. See, I'm going to complete it, and I hopefully will get a treasure. Oh, I'm not going to get a treasure. The encyclopedia has been unlocked. You can now read about all the enemies you've encountered. Is that here? No? Wait. Where do I find this encyclopedia? Never mind. Let's just upgrade more of my cats. I want to upgrade. Oh, yeah, Oh, what is that? Bird cat? Upgrade gross cat. Get a bird cat. Upgrade. I'm going to get a bird cat. Bird cat. Hello, bird cat. Welcome to the family. I'm also going to get energy. Yeah, energy is going to work. And this time, I'm actually going to... Yes, I've got a bird. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, very good. And I'm going to equip my cow and my bird. Gosh, this thing's expensive. Cow, man. Why you gotta be like this? Cows, I always knew they were all that kind of stuff. And if you're wondering why I still haven't got a sumo cat or a thingy majiggy cat thing yet, that's because I'm recording this right after the other thing, and I haven't even uploaded the other video. Because, I don't know. This time, okay guys? Just tell me who, and I'll get it in the future. In the very near future. Because I upload videos a lot more than I used to now. I used to upgrade one every couple days now, but now I upgrade like 2. I tried to upload 2 yesterday, but I only uploaded 1. And I'm going to upload 2 today. And good times, you know, it's pretty cool. I always have to upload them at like in the evening though. Back to the game. There's a lion. Where are we? Kenya? Oh, that's probably right. Kenya has lions. Lions. Is that a zoo? It looks like a zoo, actually. I want to test out my cow cat. Cow cat, go. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's so proud, so majestic. And boom, 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 boom. Look at him. My cow cat is so amazing. Look how majestically he runs. Look at that. Look at that. You can't say no to that. Look at that beautiful horn. And I want a bird cat too. Just to look at it. There you go. Come on in, buddy. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so proud to be alive. I'm pretty sure this is our very first long-ranged unit. Yoink. Here it is. Victory. Please have a treasure. I didn't get a treasure. That's sad. Right. What should we get next? This time, I'm gonna upgrade this guy. And I can also upgrade the cow cat. I think I'm a big fan of this cow cat. Madagascar. Madagascar. Cool. I wonder what the thing is going to be. A tree. A tree? Oh, I know what it means. Madagascar. Of course. A tree. A big jungle tree. Is that because of the film? Or is it just because of its Madagascar? I used to love Madagascar, the film. I don't even know. Why is my channel alive? Gosh, this game is easy. I say that, but I know in the later rounds it gets ridiculously hard. Look at this. I want a cow cat. That's what I need. I need to save it for one. Go, cow cat. Go. In all your majesticness. Nothing can compare to you. Except maybe bird cat. But bird cat, nobody really cares about bird cats. It's all about the cows these days. What is a gorilla? What? No, gorilla, you're not allowed to do that. How come a gorilla came out and then now the gorilla's a big thing? That does not make logic to me. Right, we're gonna need some real defenses with this thing. Gosh, he's really plowing through my defenses. Oh no, the bird cat wasn't the first long range thing. We've got the gross cat as well, which I've just recently upgraded, so now is extra cool. Zoom. Does one like have extra health? Come on, kill one. Just one, please. Oh my goodness, it's just plowing through my army. Stop it. That's illegal. That's not allowed. I'm gonna send a cow cat to destroy. Oh, okay. That was not easy. I was gonna say that was easy, but it wasn't easy at all. I've actually made it like halfway. No. That's not allowed. Go back to your home tree thingy majiggy, you silly little gorilla. People in my house must think I'm so strange. Come on, so close. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. There we go. That took. But I got an inferior eye. There is a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Oh yeah, it's a zombie cat. I wonder which one I should get. I'm thinking a zombie cat now. I think I want a zombie cat. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna do some upgrading. A fish cat? Well, I don't want a fish. I've got 7,000 XP. I don't want to waste that on a single. No, actually, I probably should have done that. Maybe I should get some. No, I won't get any of that. What just happened? That was weird. I will. Maybe I'll upgrade some of my rare cats. Actually, no, rare cats suck. Don't like rare cats. Special cats. Yeah, I'll upgrade my ninja cat, because he's not gotten much love. And I still have some remaining. So I'll upgrade my cow cat. There we go. Pretty successful. And I can do a mission. Thank you very much. Now I can actually afford a sumo cat. I wonder. Should I get a sumo? Should I get a sumo? You know what I should get? More treasures, that's what I should get. I'm gonna try and get a treasure on Saudi Arabia. Did I get it? Nope, didn't get it. But I got 5,000 XP, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna do some more upgrades on my cow. Because cows are amazing. Actually, I think I'll just go on to the next level. Because I just want to advance in this game. Maybe get new things. Maybe next episode we can get a fish cat. That sounds really weird to say. You know, my mum posted a picture on one of my WhatsApp groups this morning, and it was literally a fish cat. Literally a fish with a cat face. It was very strange. Where are we? South Africa? Oh, look at all those animals. There's a hippo. So that's what a real hippo looks like, if the developers actually try to do art styles in this game. Interesting. Yeah. What did I just upgrade before? Yeah, I upgraded my cow, didn't I? My amazing, majestic cow. So he's just going to come in and plough through everything. Which is pretty. It's pretty, it's very pretty. Pretty nice. I love myself a cow. They're really stubborn as well. It doesn't really let anything pass. Oh, nothing's getting past my cows. Not one thingy-majiggy. Look at these. I got another cow. Gosh, I love cows. I wonder what the next evolution of it is going to be. Oh no, I know what it is, but I'm not going to tell you. Just watch my videos to the very end, and then you'll realise that they are amazing. Oh, a penguin came out, but it didn't get a chance to do anything. I got a treasure. I really treasure my treasures. Oh, a rare ticket. Pretty nice. Thanks for, no, get off my advert screen, and I just want to open it, okay? Come on, at least the super rare. Yeah, you've got to be kidding me. Can I exchange for XP? Oh, that's a lot of XP. I'm going to do it. Sorry, guys. I probably shouldn't have done that. But I did. But guess what, guys? I can do all sorts of stuff now. I can get a cow cat upgraded. Maybe this guy upgraded a bit. Maybe I can get... Oh, I know what I should get. Efficiency. All the way up to level 10. And I need more range on my cat cannon. Thank you very much. And then... Oh, I was going to say I'll get a fish, but I can't afford a fish. I'll upgrade this thing a couple times. Boom. Now we have a wall cat. Now we're OP. Right, we're just going to do one more stage. See how our new deck goes. You don't have enough energy. Recover all cat energy with 1 leadership. Yes. Thank you. Ghana. Why does that name sound familiar? And why am I getting so much more? Oh yeah, I've got efficiency. Guys. This game is easy. Oh, I don't have wallet size, so I can't upgrade anything. I don't even have... Oh no, I need wallet size. Can't really do much now. I can spam things though, that's what I can do. I can really spam everything now. Oh, this game. Why do I have to get bigger wallets? Like, wallets? What's a wallet going to do for a cat? Why can't we just have infinite money? What is that? Ghana? Oh yeah, Ghana produces chocolate, doesn't it? I did a school session on Ghana. Ghana. I don't really know how to say it. Penguins! Oh my goodness, that's a lot of penguins. Oh no, destroy the base before the penguins do anything. Quickly. Oh my goodness. No, destroy it. Oh, phew. Those penguins were going to do some damage if we didn't stop them. I'm telling you, they would have done some serious stuff. Where's my wallet? Wallet, increase. Yeah. Oh, 50,000 for 75. Maybe no. No, thank you. Anyway, that was a that was a pretty good deal. I am now overpowered. Yeah. Tell you what I'm gonna do. In between episodes, this time I will actually do it. I will try and get these things. Try and get these things. But apart from that, I will see you in the next video of hopefully Battle Cats. Before I leave, subscribe, please.